I've been seeing quite numbers of persons coming to me to help them either reduce or increase the size of their picture or a file in general. Now, in today's lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can do that, how you can reduce and also increase the size of your picture, because some of the online websites, they always need either a certain size of file to be uploaded, and once you upload maybe a small size instead of a big size, it will now reject. Assuming we can take an instance, if you're supposed to upload a file of 10 KB and you're uploading 200 KB, it cannot be uploaded. So you need a lesser size, which is either 10 or less than 10. Now, in today's lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can do that. Well, my name is Mike Tibello, and I'll be guiding you. Assuming these are your files which you want to increase the size. Look at the size of this is 200. It's 249. Look at this. It's 178. Look at this. The size. Look at the size. The size is 5.32 KB. Now, assuming we want to increase the size of this 178, assuming what is required is 200 KB, not 178 KB. So we need a larger size. That's 200. Now, what you need to do, you don't need any other software. What you need is just your computer. Now, we are going to use a Windows application for that. Now, what you do is to right click on the document. You now click on edit. Then Paint software will come up. Look at it. It's actually a Windows software, Paint. Now here you can increase the size of your file. You move to size, click on size, then pixel. You increase the pixel because that's what measures size. Now, as it is now, it is 1088 pixels here. Now you can increase this maybe to 1700, so you can have 200 KB above. You click OK. Now you save your file as JPEG as you so wish. You can even save to PNG or BMP or GIF, whichever one that you want. For the sake of this lecture, I'm going to save it as JPEG picture, JPEG file. I'll click on JPEG to now ask me where to save. I think let me just create folder and save it on desktop. Files. Let me save it as files here. The folder name is file. Then it's on the desktop. The name of the file is Samsung Jam 2. Okay. Let's look at the size now. I've saved it. It's on the desktop. Look at this. What's the size now? Property. Now look at the size. It's even 1.11 MB. We have increased the size. So it's now 1.11 MB. It's up to an MB. Okay. If you want, you can reduce it also. You can have something less than this. Just this. Let me undo this. Then resize pixel. You can make it 1000 600, 1600. Click OK, then save it as JPEG. Let me make this one. Let me remove the 2. Okay, let's check the size again. Okay, look at this. It's 1.11 MB. That's the initial one, and the second one is 1.01. Okay, you can reduce it again. Determine the size yourself. 1200 pixels. 1200 pixels. Okay, look at this. It's now 700. Look at the size now, 720 KB. You can have something less than this again if you so wish. It depends on the size. You can have 500. Save as JPEG. That's 01. Where is it? Look at it here. Where is size? The size is 188 KB. It depends on what you want. You can reduce it the way you want it to be reduced, how you want it to be reduced. Now you can do this to every kind of document that you wish to reduce, either a passport photograph. You can do that. So if you truly like this, you can comment, subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. See you next time, and thank you for being there.